What is up, guys? Been a while. I've been working on my truck again. I have a couple things, like a bunch of stuff all happening at the same time in regards to this truck. Probably going to do a whole video on this, but if I haven't talked about it yet, I'll put it in here. Son of a... Excuse the mess, but here's the setup, brake booster setup for my F100 over here. And of course, this is a new old technology type of double diaphragm brake booster. Been running that a while. Been running this MC a while. And I noticed on the side here, it has this bolt, and I can only assume that that is just to add some kind of sensor or anything like that. So I put this together here. Found the right thread count for this, as well as this. If you guys don't know what this is, it is a brake sensor, pressure brake sensor. I think they were on Fords from, like, I'm gonna guess 65, 66 and before, and then after that they switched to the brake switches, which are electric on the pedal. Anyway, so I basically put this together, and I'm gonna see if once I install it here, or install it on the truck, if this is actually what that's for. If not, I can go back to my old school way, which is just messier. I don't like it. But anyway, let's see. Same as usual, stock brackets, but I have a line lock, or whatever you want to call it, as well as a adjustable proportioning valve, because I'm running front disc, rear drum, and I want to run rear disc someday, so the block valve for the drums will go great. So I put this thing together here. Ran all these. These are, I think, steel, but they're copper plated. I kind of like the look, so you got to care a little bit about your look, even though this is a rough truck. So yeah, I'm gonna run that. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with this yet. So some say you're supposed to have a loop, some say you're not. But if you notice, what's missing is a steering gearbox. So I am going manual to see if I like it, and I'm probably gonna make that mistake, but that's okay, because I've got these giant wheels. I guess they're big. I don't know if they're giant, but so there's that. So that's kind of what's happening now, as well as shaft stuff here, as well as a lot of stuff happening in here. Like, I'm doing that column. You guys have probably seen the post. This just looks like a disaster, but you guys seen the post about how I'm running Mustang collar and everything here, because I want to go, what do you call it, delete it or whatever, and I had to get the whole setup. You guys check that out. It's on, I think, shorts and everything, but yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I can sit here and talk about it all day. But anyway, so I got that going on, clearing that up, and then from here, if you guys are aware, that is not normal. That's not a normal hole. I am running a 66 pedal with a Mustang Quadrant. Where is that thing? Hey, there it is, right in front of me. And that's what that is for. So I'm running cable, and I'll be running that to the T5, which is over here. And still haven't sold that. I'm gonna tear it apart, I think, my old 302. Give some parts to my buddy who makes trophies and stuff. There's my 302 still sitting there, and I got the T5 all ready to go. So that's sort of the rundown here. Today, I think I'm gonna remove that because it's pretty much mocked up. I'm gonna wait till the steering gearbox is in so that I can figure out what I want to do with this. I would like to make it shorter and cleaner and tuck it away, but I like to get that steering gearbox first. This wiring right here looks like a mess, but I've got everything figured out, and I'm using these looms. And I was gonna rewire everything because some of the wires kind of janky, so I did that. Fixed some of the wires, even though it's all different colors. Got it marked and labeled, but this stuff I want to make it all black, so I'm gonna run these two all along here. So. And then I've got this paint, which, if you guys have been watching it for a while, I use this on everything. It's good stuff if you're a rattle can kind of guy. So that's gloss black, but what I have is flat black. So that's the color of the truck. It gets a little, I don't know, you guys kind of see the lines there. It doesn't look like that in the beginning, but when you drive it outside. So yeah, I'm gonna remove that paint inside here. I've used this gloss black It's good stuff. I like this stuff. So I'm gonna paint all that in there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna start working on putting the engine in and all that jazz. So that's sort of the rundown. I'll leave that there. Pretty sure I'm not gonna use this because you guys watch the other videos and know some of it and all that. But yeah, that's the rundown. So I don't know what I'm gonna film today, but that is what I'm gonna do. But you guys wanna see some future stuff? I have those on there. They're getting dusty. No bueno. Got a lot of electric stuff. You guys can see it there. If you guys know what you're doing, you guys can see some of the future stuff going on. So, yeah, there you go. Better stop talking to get to work. All right, see you guys.